A little quick unbox. Okay. Okay, wicket from mine going under. Maar is glad wat ik gedacht had dat is. Oké, strand aan. Daarbij tik het op bij voor. Ja. Kom nou, maak het op. Ja, daar kleur iemand toe. Maar oké, daar is wel wat gaan. Daar gaat het eerste. Met die eerste. That is a Paris hoodie from Pow Fashion. I was just looking for the label, not for the price, but for the label. Pow Fashion. Yes, that's how it's Paris coconut brown looks like. Is 'n korrelbrein. Kakerlakbrein. Ja, that's a dreadful broke. The pins are all one to wear. And it's also that one I want. None. Next, the jean. I love this swagger jean. I love this jean. There was no label, so that's how it looks. Ooh, swagger. It's from Swagger. Okay. There, my phone. Oops. Just go and check. Just go and check, little boy, if it's still recording. Yeah, go and check. If it's still recording. I was looking in the mirror, but nothing saw. So yeah, it was still recording. There was no label, so I don't know what's the board, but okay. We go on. Yes. Yeah, don't yes. Hey, don't show the price. But that is how it looks, sorry. Next on Power Fences socks. I love the white socks. Thank you. Almost fell. Omdat ons al die equinox al gehad het vir witte. Soos iets om na uit te sien. Okay. Maar môre, so that's it. Power Fashion. Gaan ons weer verwag. And there I saw you there's nothing more. But I thought it was going on the back here.